So 1 bacon, 1 hash brown, beans, 2 eggs, 1 sausage, 1 grilled tomato, and look at that black pudding. I have yet to find black pudding like that anywhere in Turkey. Beautiful. So we're nearly done, mate, yeah? Nearly finished? Just a shave now. Shave up. Yeah, let's do it.
Easy.
Right, so one of the first things I have to do when I get to Turkey is obviously get a Turkish shave. Nice little trim, make me look a little bit younger, take some of the greys off the side. Look at that, it's white, it's white. So I'm going to go up to Alibis, which was just near, remember the villa where I stayed the other year? That's that up that way. Hotel Pine Valley's right there. Pedicure price, manicure price, £10, £10, blow dry, £10, Turkish shave, £5.
Head towel, ready. Fire.
Oh, it's warm that, mate.
Nice, good one. Good for skin.
Wait there, mate, before you start knocking out the fire.
Ear candle.
What's this like?
Ear candle.
Ear candle.
Yes. Yeah.
Natural ear cleaner method, removes wax build-up, relieves pressure. Oh, very good. Relieve my pressure. And just like that, we are done at Alibis. I've got Sue out with me from Downtown Junior. He's the one who told me about Alibis. He's like, Craig, you must try this place. So I've had a pedicure, sorted them naughty little trotters out. And a pedicure is only a tenner. You know you're going to be trying this. Let me show you exactly where I am. So straight up this road to the left, you come to Carrefour. Then that'll also take you to Ocean Blue and Migros. And if you go right, that'll take you to Downtown Luxury, Happy's, Harry's and Downtown Junior.
Yeah, and here is Pine Valley Hotel.
Good start to the trip. Right, so today I'm going to go into Joker's Bar right here. Ian's already there, gas guy. Joker's is just opposite HDC. I'm going to go in and enjoy a full English breakfast because apparently now Joker's offer a hash brown and a black pudding as standard with a full English. Let's go in and see what it's all about. Oh, here she is. Good quality black pudding as well. You don't find that in Turkey. Very nice, mate. So 1 bacon, 1 hash brown, beans, 2 eggs, 1 sausage, 1 grilled tomato, and look at that black pudding. I have yet to find black pudding like that anywhere in Turkey. Beautiful. What do you do? Do you use brown sauce or red?
You're a man or woman?
Don't you assume my pronouns either. Check that out. Marsh. Fly on my face. So let's dig in and see what the breakfast like here at Joker's Bar in Hisarönü. That is a homemade, crunchy, crispy hash brown, soft in the centre, and really tasty. It's always better when it's homemade. Not Heinz. Now onto the bacon. Now I do like a good bit of fat on my bacon as well. Dip it in the ketchup, dip it into the beans. That is a smaller brekkie, by the way, that is nuts.
That's good.
I kid you not, the hash brown and the black pudding definitely made it for me. That is one of the best breakfasts I've had, not just in Hisarönü, but in Turkey, like full English. That is unbelievable, by the way. $4.50 for a small, $7.50 for a large, but you do get a hash brown and black pudding on this one, the traditional small one. You know, for me, I'm not just saying this, you don't find black pudding, you don't find hash browns like that in Turkey. That is one of the best breakfasts I've had in Turkey. Definitely come and visit them at Joker's Bar in Hisarönü. You know, it's not even like a cheap cafe breakfast like most, it is a proper English breakfast. Right, so we're now at Nephi's breakfast, Nephi's garden. Just 2 minutes out of Hisarönü main strip, 5 minutes away from Oladeniz's beachfront. You probably have to come in the car. You know, look at the size of this walkway. I could not be arsed walking up there. So I'm going to go into Nephi's garden, enjoy your traditional Turkish breakfast. Let us know what you think. I remember the last time I came here, me and Oscar ended up playing chess just over there. Big chess. Chickens roaming around the gardens. But we're here for the breakfast. Now the good thing about sujuk for me is it's so much more tastier than the pepperoni we get in the UK. So in the UK, pepperoni is usually pork. Apart from if you go to, you know, certain pizza shops might use a halal version. So over here, it's just like that. It could be a mix of beef, chicken, lamb. It could be anything chucked together, a bit like a hot dog, but it's packed with flavour. Smoky, paprika, and so much better than UK pepperoni. So what vegetables are grown here? Tomatoes?
Tomatoes, cucumber, aubergines over there.
So clearly you can't get any fresher than that. Right, so as we walk through the Hisarönü main strip, again coming from Aldi's Head Rock Bar and Downtown Junior that way, we've then got Bar House here, which has been recommended by so many of you online, saying, Craig, go in for a cocktail, go for a cocktail. So I'm going to go in now and enjoy your cocktail. Right, so we're here at Memories Bar at the top of the Hisarönü strip, and let's put a drinks order in. Ready mate?
Yes!
Right, let's have a look. Can I get 2 baby Guinness,
2 baby Guinness,
2 Jägerbomb,
2 Jägerbomb,
2 Skittlebomb,
of course,
Grey
Goose, double Coke.
Yeah, double Grey Goose and Coke.
and for him, Coke Zero.
One Coke Zero for him, mate. Tamam.
Come on.
Come on! Whoa, easy, yeah, look at this!
Yeah, this is for you.
2 Diet Cokes. 2 Diet Cokes, I said.
Who ordered these? Was it him?
Album.
Was it
Jägerbomb.
him?
Baby Guinness,
Oh, mate. Soul.
Grey Goose, Coke.
So tonight, it looks like we're having a little drink. And then we'll have food at Memories. So, I'm looking at that menu there. Memories. And it is a very good menu. In terms of, I don't know what I want for starters, from loaded potatoes, buffalo wings, cheesy garlic bread, spring rolls, dough balls, nachos. What I had last night, the halloumi wrapped in bacon, that's on the menu as well. There's so many choices, so many choices at Memories. And even for the mains, I'm looking at the chicken dishes, I'm looking at the steaks. I'm looking at the pizza with the steak and blue cheese, I think it had on. Don't know what I ordered, but I do know how to order a drink. Right, so I've gone with halloumi, and it's got like a spicy honey hot sauce on it. And Ian's gone for prawn cocktail. Very nice, mate.
It's good, doesn't it?
So we're at Memories now. The live music's on. We're loving it. Look how busy it is. Chin lad, Jennifer. Oh, love it. That is us done at Memories. Check them out on the top of the Hisarönü main strip.